Good morning, welcome to IANCG Max. The question is given, if y equal to 1 plus x square, x is equal to 1 plus y square, and x is not equal to y, then what is x cube plus y cube? That is the problem given. So here, first of all, pause the video for 10 seconds and check whether you can do this problem or not. So those who are new to this channel, like this only Olympiad and logical questions will be uploaded, critical questions and hard proc questions will be uploaded, so that you can get the latest updates if you subscribe the channel. So here, first of all, we are going to the solution. Given y is equal to 1 plus x square, x is equal to 1 plus y square. So these are the values given. So here let it be first one, let it be second one. So here we will subtract 1 minus 2. Subtract 1 minus 2. What will get? Y is equal to 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. X is equal to 1 plus y square. So here you are doing subtraction. So here you will get minus, here you will get minus, here you will get minus, here you will get minus. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. So here y minus x is equal to, so here x minus y plus x square minus y square. So here what will get? Sending single terms to that side, y plus y minus x is equal to x square minus y square. So here you can write, so here you can write as 2 into y minus x is equal to, here a plus b, a minus b formula, x plus y into x minus y. So here you can cancel both of these. So here x minus y can cancel. So here you will get minus. So x plus y is equal to minus 2 will get. So if you take minus common, both you can cancel x minus y. Here also you will get x minus y. So here you have to keep minus. Now squaring on both sides. So what you have to do, squaring on both sides, here x plus y whole square is equal to minus 2 whole square. So what will get here? X plus 2 whole square, x plus y whole square equal to minus 2 whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 4. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 4. So here you have to get x square y square value. So here I am doing adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So what is 1? Y is equal to 1 plus x square. X is equal to 1 plus y square. So adding this to y plus x is equal to 2 plus x plus y plus x square plus y square. X square plus y square. So here y get cancel, x get cancel, x square plus y square is equal to minus 2. So that value will use here, x square plus y square, you got a minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into xy is equal to 4. So 2xy is equal to 6. Xy is equal to 6 by 2. We are getting 3. So here xy value got 3. Now what you have to find, x cube plus y cube value. X cube plus y cube is equal to, this is only the logical step, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So this can be written as x plus y into x plus y whole square minus 3xy. So all the values are there. Minus 2, x plus y value minus 2, x plus y value minus 2, x plus y means here minus 2 whole square minus 3 into xy value is 3. So what will get now? Minus 2 into 4 minus 9 minus 2 into minus 5. So the value you are getting is 10. Therefore x cube plus y cube is equal to 10. That is the answer. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. I am CG Max Olympiad.